last night I made butter. Oh, amazing. So amazing. Followed a TikTok tutorial, but I'm gonna have bacon and eggs for breakfast. But the girls are gonna have pancakes, and we're gonna have buttermilk pancakes because when you make butter, you get buttermilk. So I'm really excited. Pancakes. I don't follow any particular recipe. I just chuck a bunch of ingredients in, and when the consistency is good, then that's the pancake batter. I've cleaned my tumbler so that we can have an iced chocolate. Nothing fancy here, guys, just about the whole tray of ice. I'm kidding. I do like it icy because I refill. Also, be a good sport and refill your ice tray if you're going to use all the ice. Almond Breeze chocolate milk. Oh my god, I'm not very good at this anymore. I will say it's because I'm cheap. I say it's because it makes it creamier, but I add a little bit more milk, just white milk, and yeah, just that's how I make it. Then you get that satisfying icy shake. And see, by the time you've cleaned up and you've made yourself a little drink, the pan, oh, I just burned myself. So let's do the water test. She's not ready. She's not ready. She's sizzling. See this dancing? That is what you want. I keep coming back to this angle, and I know, I'm sorry, I don't know where my tripods are. But there's something so satisfying in using ingredients that you have made. Look at this. Ah, it's butter. I did add salt. I was like eating it, tasting it. I won't say eating it. I was tasting it as I was making it, and I'm just so stoked with how it turned out. Like, does that not look like amazing homemade butter? I like to set aside the pan from this is why I stay in the kitchen when I'm cooking breakfast, especially when I'm using the stove, because I just don't want the kids to run in here and burn themselves. But I set it aside, let it cool down a second. We're gonna season the pan today just because I don't want burnt butter looking pancakes. So to do that, I'm just gonna rub some oil over the pan and then wipe it clean. This is what our pancakes turned out like. Definitely fat, fluffy pancakes. Verdict? Do we like them?
Yes. Yummy.
Yummy. The best cooking in the whole world.
Aww. I can now reap my reward. Oh, love. I just love a good breakfast sausage. These aren't breakfast sausages, but a sausage at breakfast is a breakfast sausage. I've really screwed my egg, but that's okay. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. Favorite meal. Favorite meal. Sophie tried to have seconds, but we made it through a couple of bites and she was like, I'm full. Ali had 2, and I've still got this many left. So good. So I did say I was going to try a pancake, so that's why I made little ones. There is something, I probably have chocolate in my teeth. There's something about buttermilk pancakes that just hits different. Look at that. That is delicious. Okay, so it's 9:44. Just check the time. I'm so full, but I'm committed to eating the pancake because I want to be a part of the pancake fun. I'm just not a huge pancake person.